Hello again, everyone. I'm Fred Sed, Sales Manager of the Power Group. Welcome back today. I'm here to discuss two subjects with you. Will a short sale save your credit? And number two, if you're in foreclosure, will a short sale work for you, and do you qualify for a short sale? So back to that first subject of will a short sale save your credit? It's yes and no. You've already at this point missed a few payments, and there might have been a notice of default filed against you, meaning that you've missed about 3 payments. That will hurt your credit, or already has. But if you continue the foreclosure process, and if you don't do a short sale, it gets to a point where the property is auctioned off, that will further damage your credit, and then you're either evicted or the property is repossessed when the property is closed and the foreclosure is completed, and that will further damage your credit because there will be a foreclosure on your credit report. Also, this might lead to a bankruptcy, depending on how damaging the property is and how bad the situation is. And if it does lead to bankruptcy, then that's even worse. So 7 to 10 years, you have a foreclosure, bankruptcy on your credit report, and it'll be very difficult for you to acquire any credit when it comes to credit cards, auto loans, mortgage loans, etc. Whatever the case might be. But if you go through with the short sale, if the short sale is approved, then it avoids you from going through the foreclosure process. And it saves your credit in this sense, where you don't go through the foreclosure process. Also, once the short sale is completed, your trade line that has the mortgage loan on there will show it as paid, and your foreclosure will be canceled. So in a sense, it's better for your credit, and it will make your benefit or your credit better because you fulfilled your obligation with the mortgage lender and paid your loan. So that's in a nutshell. If you go through with the short sale, it is better than it would be to go through the foreclosure process. Second subject, if you're in foreclosure now, will a short sale work for you, and do you qualify? If your property is worth less than what you owe to the bank, for example, if you owe the mortgage lender $500,000 and your property is worth $400,000, that's one qualifying factor. If you've missed a few payments like we've discussed and the notice of default has been filed, that's another qualifying factor. Also, if you're in any financial hardship whatsoever, any job loss, reduction in income, etc., anything that's damaging to you that holds you from making your payments, that would also be a qualifying factor. And also being at least 60 days away from the actual foreclosure being completed and the property being sold off at auction. So those 4 items are just an idea of what kind of qualifications it needs to go through with the short sale. Now there's more factors involved, and we can discuss that more in confidentiality. But those are 2 subjects today of the short sale will save your credit, and if you qualify, and a short sale will work for you if you are in foreclosure. If you have any questions whatsoever, please don't hesitate to contact us. We are your short sale specialists. Everything we discuss will be the strictest confidentiality, and just call us. We'll talk, see if this short sale could work for you, and if it could save your credit. Our direct number is area code 949-274-3733, and our website is www.pgcoastal.com. Thank you very much for tuning in today, and I'll talk to you soon. God bless.